Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. You're so clever. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, sweet cheeks. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so good. Come on. What are you going to do now? Here. How about you pull yourself up? Show the people, Charlotte. Show the people how you pull yourself up. Because you're the most clever girl in the whole wide world. Say hello. Say hi. Say dada. Say dada. Say dada. Go on. Say dada. Say dada. Miss Charlotte. Say dada. Mama. Now say mama. Say mama. Say dada. Say, oh, say dada. Say dada. You got something on your chin. Say dada. Say, I am Krabby Abby. No. Say dada. She wants the little thing on the camera. Say dada. Say dada. Say dada. Say hi. Say hello. Say hi, Aunt Cherry. Say hi, Aunt Cherry. Say hi. Say hi. Now what? They can't see you. How about you play a tune on your piano? There you go. Say, look at me, I'm so big. Boom. Pull yourself up. Where is she going? Where is she going? Come on. Come on. Charlotte, come on. Say dada. Say dada. Miss Ferguson, say dada. Say dada. Mom, you're not being fair. Say dada. Say dada. Come on, Mom will help you up. She's only got one hand. She's only got one hand. Here, use her arm. How about Mom gets the giggles? Should we get the giggles? Should we go? Now what? Here comes the giggles. There comes the giggles. Are you gonna giggle? Are you gonna giggle? Giggle, giggle, giggle. Giggle, giggle, giggle. Yeah? Say dada. Say dada. Choke yourself. Say dada. Dada. Hurry up. This video is never going to upload if I take too long. Say dada. Dada. Say dada. Goofhead. Say dada. Dada. Alright, say goodbye. Goodbye. Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching.